In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete the header and footer from a PowerPoint slide step by step. If you've ever added a footer with date, slide number, or custom text and then struggled to remove it, this quick guide will walk you through the exact settings you need to change. We'll also cover how to remove headers from handouts, because that process is slightly different. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. Go to the top ribbon and click on the Insert tab. Inside the Insert tab, look for the text group. Here you'll see an option called Header and Footer. Click on Header and Footer and a dialog box will appear on your screen. Inside the Header and Footer dialog box, you'll see different options that can be applied to your slides. Under the Slide tab, you'll notice options such as date and time, slide number, and footer. If you currently have footer text appearing on your slides, the Footer checkbox will be selected. To remove the footer from your slides, simply uncheck the footer option. If date and time or slide number are also enabled and you want them removed, go ahead and uncheck those as well. Once you've unchecked the footer option and any other elements you want removed, click on Apply to All. This is very important. Clicking Apply to All ensures that the footer is removed from every slide in your presentation, not just the current one. After doing this, you should immediately see that the footer text disappears from your slides. Now, that takes care of removing footers from normal slides. But what if you still see header information when printing handouts? That's because handouts use a different master layout. So next, we need to adjust the Handout master settings. To do this, click on the View tab in the top ribbon. In the View tab, look for the Master Views group. Here, click on Handout Master. This will switch your screen into the Handout Master editing mode. Once you're inside the Handout Master tab, you'll see several placeholder options displayed on the page, such as header, footer, date, and page number. If the header option is checked, that means a header will appear on your printing handouts. To remove it, simply uncheck the header option under placeholders. You can also uncheck footer, date, or page number here if you don't want those to appear on printed versions. After making your changes, go to the top ribbon and click on Close Master View. This will return you to the normal slide editing view. At this point, your headers and footers should be completely removed from both your slides and handouts. If you still see any elements remaining, double-check both the header and footer settings under the Insert tab and the Handout Master settings under the View tab to make sure everything is unchecked and applied properly. And that's it! You've successfully deleted the header and footer from your PowerPoint slides and handouts. As you can see, the process is simple once you know exactly where to look. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials, productivity tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.